Welcome back. For this video, I'll be showing you how to add contacts to your Google account. So you want to begin by opening Google. Then from here, click on this apps icon here. And then you want to scroll through the different apps and select the option contacts. So from here, you'll be brought to your contacts page for Google. And so if you want to create a new contact, you can click on create contact. Then from here, you can now start customizing the contact information. So for example, you want to put in the first name, and you can choose to put in the last name if you want. Then if you have any additional information about the company they work at, as well as their job title and their email address, you can add that information and their phone number as well. So then you can now enter in their phone number, as well as giving it a label. If you have more numbers that you want to add for that specific contact, you can click on add phone and add the numbers. If you have an address for them, again, you can add the address and any other additional information such as their date of birth and any small notes you have about that specific contact. And so once you've done that and you've chosen your profile icon if you want to use one, then all you need to do is simply click on save. Then wait for it to save that contact, and now you have that specific contact detail. So whenever you want to call them, to send them an email, to chat, start a video call, you can always just come and do that from here. You can also have the option, say for example, you have the Google Messages app installed onto your phone and you've signed in with your contact detail, with your profile details, then you'll still be able to access the exact same contacts that you have here on Google Messages. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.